What do we know about the Earth? Scientists have worked out that the Earth is about 4,500 million years old. They have also worked out what is inside the Earth. The Earth has a crust of solid rock. Under the crust is the mantle, which is molten, hot liquid rock that can flow. In the center of the Earth is the core. It is made of the metals nickel and iron. The outer part of the core is molten. The inner part of the core is solid. The rocks found in the crust contain metals and non-metals. The pie chart below on the right shows the approximate proportions of the most common elements in the Earth's crust. People used to think that the Earth was only a few thousand years old. They thought the Earth had never changed. In 1912, a German scientist called Alfred Wegener suggested that, millions of years ago, all the land was one large continent. Over millions of years, the land broke up and drifted apart. This idea is called continental drift. His evidence for this idea was that the shapes of the continents fit together. The types of rock on the different continents match up where they fit together. The fossils on the different continents match up where they fit together. Wegener could not explain how continental drift happened, so not everyone believed his ideas. We now know that the Earth's crust is made up of large tectonic plates. Some of the plates are under the oceans. They are called oceanic plates. Some of the plates form the continents. They are called continental plates. These tectonic plates move slowly on the liquid rock called magma beneath them. This is how continental drift occurs. The plates only move about 4 centimeters each year, which is about same speed as your fingernails grow.